What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm going to give you a how-to video, and that is how to change your fuel door to the Bullitt style from the 1999 to the 2004. As you can see right here, I'll show you. Mine is wrapped in a carbon fiber right now. As you can see there, it's just wrapped. It's kind of a crap job, but it looks good from the outside, not when you go to open the door. We're gonna go with something a little nicer. Go ahead and take a look what we're gonna be using. This is the Speed Forms billet style fuel door. That's it right there. It's magnetic. It has two clamps there, and then it bolts through there and there. It opens up and it's got a magnetic clasp. So that's definitely gonna look a little better than a wrapped fuel door. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install that, so stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna be starting right here, and that is gonna be a T20 bit. So we'll get taking that off. Just unscrew them. So that's one. Then you got one down here at the bottom. And then the whole assembly comes out just like this. And that is your fuel door. Just these two screws right there pop out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this bump stop here and this bump stop here. And that's it, this bump stop right there. That's what we're taking off. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this one off right here. All these are T20s. And you remove that bump stop. Okay, to get this ready, we're gonna take these two clips off right here and here. Go ahead and use the box to put all our old stuff in case you ever want to bring it back to factory. And then on the back of this, there's some nuts. We're gonna take these nuts off. That way we can slide it through. Okay, so now I've taken off the hardware that goes on these two screws right here and the hardware that goes on these two right there. That way it sits flush. We're gonna take these bolts right here and we're gonna put them right in here. So these go right in right here. They just slide in just like that. You take both of them, pop them in there. These little washers that they gave us and nuts, and put them on the back sides of the bolt. Okay, now that we got this bolt and this bolt loosely tightened, I'm gonna go ahead and put in these clips right here. They're gonna screw in, the bolts are gonna go through here and here, and it's gonna latch in on the inside of the lip going that way. We're gonna use this right here. Leave this one kind of loose until we get this other clip in. So we'll go ahead and slide this one up here, get our bolt ready. Kind of just sits in there in place. Work it into the spot it fits. Okay, I'm gonna use a pair of channel locks right here. That way I can get in there, and I'm gonna hold the bolt on the inside of here while I turn it with this Allen key. All right, we're gonna go ahead and tighten all these up now. Now that the two braces are in here, the little clips that slide onto the edge of that lip right there. Both of these are lined up. We'll go ahead and tighten them down. Make sure everything's flush and sitting in there correctly. Check all your corners. Then you can go in and just tighten it down. So it's pretty simple. Two clips go right here on the inside and slide onto the lip of the inside of your back quarter. And then two screws go in to hold those clips and pull tension. And then you have two through bolts. They go here and here. See, this one's still loose. We're gonna tighten those up. Those are two through bolts, and you're complete. The fuel door is in. It's a gloss black. It's got two magnetic strips right here and a magnetic plate because it is billet aluminum and it's powder coated. All right, let's still go over the tools. If you're looking for a torque spit set, that's how I have all my torque spit. This Husky set is pretty good. It's got just about every torque spit you would really need. It's a pretty nice set. Comes with a nice ratchet. And it's got all the way up to T55. So that you're gonna need a T20. It's a T20 to take them off your car. Also, I got this Allen key set at Harbor Freight. I do have a Gorilla set that's way nicer. But this was 5/32 was the size that I used on the actual Allen keys once I installed it. The T20 was for disassembly of the original fuel door. Now this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, I had it wrapped. It's kind of a crappy job, but it didn't look bad from the front. That's wax you see there. And these bump stops that are right here, those are T20, and the original bolts were T20. I'm gonna go ahead and keep all this original stuff. I keep everything in case one day I want to bring the car back to stock. I'll have it. But yeah, that's it. 5/32 Allen key and a T20 bit, and you can get this right here installed. I just use that set of pliers right there. That way I could hold the bolts on the inside. It was actually kind of a pain, but in the end it looks pretty good. I want to thank you for watching. This has been Life in a Mustang, where I bring you some sort of how-to, some sort of vlog. Next week I'm going to be doing some suspension work, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be a little more in-depth because it's going to be a little bit harder of a job, but it's going to bring that rear end together. And yet I'm still waiting on my subframe connectors that I sent out, and I'm supposed to be getting a new set. So next week's suspension, stay tuned for that. Like I said, this is Life in a Mustang. I'm Dustin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Don't forget to hit that bell. Peace.